I am back with another video. Right here I have I guess what they call nowadays a jacket, and I bought this many years ago from a store called Roses, from the men's section actually. And I love this because it looks like a shirt, but you can actually wear it as a jacket, or I guess slash coat, because it has Sherpa inside. And I like it because it has inside pockets, but on the outside this jacket did not have pockets except for this chest pocket where I also keep some extra bobby pins. It only had this chest pocket. So what I did a few years ago was I had some extra purple material from, I think, some curtains, and I just used the seam ripper on the seam of the shirt and created a pocket. But although the pocket is very deep, which I like deep pockets, when I put my hand in there, it's not at an angle, so it's kind of awkward for me to actually stick my hand in. And because the pocket is on the seam, it's so far back from the front buttons. So what I'm doing now, I didn't take the seams out. I just cut like a piece off on a diagonal on the opposite pocket, and I'll show you that now. I cut the piece out on the opposite pocket, which is this side, the right side, and I basically just cut off. I didn't even measure it, I just cut off. And I'll use this piece to measure the other side so I know exactly how much to cut off and where. And I had this extra material, which was, these were the pockets I cut off of my Sherpa vest that I sewed onto my jean jacket. So I'm basically just going to insert this pocket into here and kind of sew it in there. And I am using this heavy duty thread, and I like gray because I'm going to hand sew it, and I don't really care if the stitch is sewed because that'll give it a little decoration. To use this, I bought a pack of heavy duty needles. I'm going to be using this needle, which is for, what does it say? Upholstery and mattresses. I'm really just using it because I can easily curve it through the fabric in case it gets too thick at some points. That's about it. I got this from Amazon, and it came with the gray thread that I'm using, and it also came with a spool of black heavy duty thread, but I'm just using the gray one because I like the color and I think that it'll look better than the black for decoration. So I realized that the extra pocket pieces I had were too small, and I still had some leftover material from before, so I just added that extra material to the pocket, and I turned the seams inside out, as you can see right here. And all I'm going to do is just flip that part to the edge and sew the edge to the edge of my jacket. This is what it looks like afterwards. I don't know if you could tell, but my hand definitely goes deeper in the pocket like I wanted it. And you can also see the gray details of the thread on the outside. It looks pretty cool. So I tried the jacket on, and I also added that extra white layer around the collar because it just had like a regular button-up type of collar. And I'm showing you what the pockets look like. I like it. I had a lot of contemplation about adding the white collared part onto the jacket, but I think that it matches better than putting the gray material that I put in the pockets on there. But overall, tell me what you guys think in the comment section.